Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm here in Traverse City, Michigan, and we are going to be exploring an abandoned asylum service building. Now this place is just simply known as Building 65, and from what I've read about it, it was a service/storage building here at the Northern Michigan Kirkbride. Beyond that, I don't know much about it. My assumption is, since it is a storage building, that, and a service building too, that this is probably where, obviously certain things would be stored, but I'm thinking like lawn care equipment, probably tractors, stuff like that. Now, I have entered this building before. When I first came here, I explored it in the middle of the night. But this is my first time seeing it in the daylight. And honestly, you can tell a lot more how deteriorated it is in the daytime. Because I knew there were some parts without a roof, obviously. But I didn't realize all the way here, and that's already falling down. Now, there is a sleeping bag over in the corner there. I thought maybe someone was currently living in here. But I came through here a few times last night in the dark and did not see anyone. However, doing some research, look at all those cans. That's insane. Doing some research, I found that a few years ago someone made a video in this building, and right about over here there was a tent that was set up, and now you can see, got the pile of rubble, but I'm actually thinking that right there might be part of that tent. So, someone was living in here at some point, and now they're not. Hopefully they got out before this pile fell in the tent. Now we have like a ladder here, actually pretty sturdy, but I'm not sure what it would have went to, since, you just got the falling apart roof. Then, got some machinery right here. And this is where I stopped last night, just because it looked too bad to keep going in the dark. But we're going to go ahead and go through today, because we're in the daylight. And we're literally walking over the former roof right now. And yeah, this is literally, we're just walking through a pile of rubble. Now, I do really like how the doors look on this place. They're very interesting looking, in my opinion. So, not much over here. But these boxes, 42 and 12, I'm guessing those would have been old, storage boxes from when this place was still in operation. Considering, you can see quite a few of them. So, yeah. Also, this place is covered in graffiti, if you haven't noticed during the whole thing. Most of it's pretty boring, I'll admit. The outside has some good graffiti, but I'm not going to force you guys to watch as I walk all the way around. So anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys next time with a brand new video. Thanks for watching.